Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to look at Bitcoin, and there is one very important thing that I want to show you and share with you, and let me know what do you feel about it. So guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. I hope you have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So we're going to the Bitcoin chart, and I'm going to share something very important with you that I have been tracking since a long time. There are two important things. We are looking right now at RSI. So if you see this, then this entire Bitcoin move since February, the RSI was creating bearish divergence. So there was a bearish divergence we can see over here where we were creating new all-time highs, but on the RSI, we were creating lower highs. So we had a bearish divergence and which resulted in this crash. What I see right now is this entire bearish divergence. You can see over here, we currently are retesting the breakout. Okay, this is one thing, that this bearish divergence, we broke out over here. We have retested it recently. And this might become a support. Okay, this is one thing. So, and a more important thing which I want to share with you is the current price action, where if we see, then we are seeing a continuous bullish divergence. Look at this entire move. Bitcoin is going down and over here since our 19th May crash. On RSI, we are constantly trending up. So just like what we saw over here, where we were creating new all-time highs, and on the RSI we were creating lower highs. Over here, things have definitely started reversing because we are creating lower highs on the daily time frame. Since 19th May, we are creating lower highs, but on the RSI, we are creating higher highs. We are uptrending. So this does not mean that immediately, instantly we break out, but it also means that things are reversing. So just like over here, where we were creating new all-time highs, but on the RSI we were creating lows, this can keep trending high and we might still go lower. But eventually, a breakout on the upside is more likely. The way we saw this drop suddenly after 2-3 months, this can result in a sudden pump eventually on the upside. We might go to 20,000, we might go to 25,000. I don't know that. Okay. But my point is that eventually we are going to go way above than where we are right now. So there are things that you need to have in perspective. And Bitcoin on the RSI is showing a bullish divergence since almost 1.5 months now. So this is not a small thing. Okay. If we look at the weekly, then you can see on the weekly, we are definitely bearish. But the point is that this RSI last time when we came down so low was on 18th November 2019. So after 2 years, Bitcoin is having such low RSI. Even on the monthly, you see on the monthly, we are at such low RSI on the monthly after almost a year. And also on the monthly, if we zoom in, this is monthly, so it takes 1 month for the RSI to change its direction. So if you see this, Then on the monthly, in fact, from 1st April, we started coming down. And from 1st of May, we have started moving sideways. So this on the monthly also, we can see that either we are bottoming out or we'll be bottoming out soon, and soon we can expect reversal. So on the monthly, when we say soon, then it can happen in 1 or 2 months. Okay, this is a monthly chart. But on the daily chart, there is definite bullish divergence since almost 45 days now. So this is not a small thing. So I know we are in a bear trend, and I myself have been saying this since May. I've been telling you not to buy dips because we are in a downtrend. But I also want to let you know and be aware that we are in a bear trend, but we eventually are likely to go way higher, in my opinion. This is a bear trend, not a full-fledged bear market. Because I see Bitcoin creating at least 100K is the worst case scenario for me. In my opinion, Bitcoin touching 100K is the worst case scenario. It can go way higher, but I don't think so. It can go way lower. And of course, this is not what I am telling you that it will happen instantly, but we have definitely created bullish divergence on daily since 45 days. So that's not a small thing. So we can take another 45 days for a complete pump, or we can take another 1 month or 2 months. But I do not think that we will keep going down, or we will have a full-fledged bear market. I do not think so. I think we are going to see a pump, and we will see a retest of all-time high and eventually a new all-time high. So this was something which I wanted you to be aware of, something that you should keep in mind, because we are bearish right now, and it is right to be bearish, but you also have to be aware that at some point this trend will reverse. And similarly, when we were bearish when Bitcoin was creating new all-time highs, we had to be aware that okay, we are bearish on the RSI and we might drop at some time. Similarly, right now we also have to be aware that we might pump eventually, and pump very hard, because we have been creating bullish divergence since 45 days. That means the price is getting suppressed since 45 days. So eventually the price will break out. Whether it breaks out by going down and then up, or even directly up, is what we will see. And we will trade accordingly. So I hope you guys are in my Telegram group. If you aren't, please check the link of the Telegram group in the description and join. It is free. And do follow me on Twitter. Like this video, guys, and share it among everybody whom you know are in crypto. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.